Put your comments also whether the paper easy or difficult, you understood the session or not. Then this is very important for us. Don't forget, then do the Google Form paper after the session. Then I will start the session. This also, as usually, consists of several topics up to today, from beginning to today. Beginning is mean January we started our syllabus. Then this is July. Up to here I have done till fractions, right? Till fractions, decimals. I have include all the lessons, right? Additional questions are also there. So I will start the first question. This consists of 26 questions. In the number pattern of the multiple of 7 and write in ascending order. Right. Then we have to find the general term, find the 10th term, find the 50th term, which term is 154. Let's start this general term. So really easily, straightly we can write the general term. I told you if it is multiple of 2, 2n is a general term. 3, 3n, 4, 4n, 5, 5n, 6, 6n, 7, 7n, right? Then so you already know the general term. 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, like this. Then really straightly we can write the general term 7n. But in addition to that, I will show you how we obtain this. I want to prove this is true, right? Then 7, the common difference from the previous term, subtract from the this term. 14 subtract 7, that is 7. 21 subtract 14, 7. 28 subtract 21, 7. Common difference, d equals 7. First term you can see A equals 7. So by using this you can get the general term, common difference into n plus first term minus common difference. Look at 7n minus 0 is mean 7n. Yeah, this is true. Right? Then you can find easily 10th term. Then 10th term, then n equals 10. Then we can find like this 7n, 7 into 10, 70. 10th term is 70. Next one, find the 50th term. No, third one, find the 50th term. Then we have to find T50 equals 7 into 50. What is the answer? 0, 7 times 5, 35. 350 is the answer here. Which term is 154? Then how can we find this one? Which term is 154? 7n equals 154. This side divide by 7 and this side also divide by 7. N equal, cancel out over the line and below the line. N equals 20, 14, 2. N equals 22. Question number 2. Question number 2. In the number pattern 5, 9, 13, 17, what is the general term? So no need to arrange the charts. Then you already know how to do like this. First term 5, second term 9, third 13, fourth 17. Then we have to find the general term. First of all, you have to find the common difference. From 9 subtract 5, previous term, subtract the first term, 9 subtract 5, that is 4. 13 subtract 9, that is also 4. 17 subtract 13, that is also 4. Then first term, A equals 5, common difference, D equals 4, So then we can write here general term, common difference 4 into n plus first term minus common difference 4n plus 1. Next one, what 10th term? What is 10th term, right? What is 10th term? What is the 10th term then? We have to find T10. T10 equals 4n plus 1. We have to find 10th. T10 equals 4 into 10. 4 into 10 plus 1. T10 equals 40 plus 1. T10 equals 41. 10th term is 41. Find 12th term. Then what is the 12th term? T12 equals 4n plus 1. 4 into 12 plus 1. 4 times 12, 48 plus 1. T12 is 49. T12, 49. Question number 3. The common term of a number pattern is Tn equal 3n minus 5. General term. Then write down first 3 terms. Tn equals 3n minus 5. T1 equals 3 times 1 minus 5. T1 equals 3 minus 5. T1 equals minus 2. First term is 2. Second term. T2 equals 3n minus 5. 3 into 2 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Then second term, T2 equals 6 minus 5 plus 1. T3 equals 3n minus 5. T3 equals 3 into 3 minus 5. T3 equals 9 minus 5. T3 equals 4. Then what are the first 3 terms? Minus 2 plus 1 plus 4. Plus 4. First 3 terms. Write 10th term of it. So we have to find T10. Then T10 equals same general formula 3n minus 5. Substitute then n is 10. T10 equals 3 into 10 minus 5. T10 equals 30 minus 5. T10 equals 25. T10, 25. Question number 4. The common term of a number pattern, now we have done this one, we have to go to the fourth one. Find the value of x in the given figures. We have learned our triangles and quadrilateral lessons about the quadrilaterals. These are exterior angles 55, x, this is 90, so you want to find this angle. If this is 90, this is a straight line, so supplementary, so this angle also 90. All the exterior angles of any polygon add up to 360. Even it is a triangle, even it is a quadrilateral, we haven't learned the polygons, but even it's a polygon, even 5 sides are there, 6 sides are there. Any polygon, all the exterior angles add up to 360. So you can write here, this exterior angle is 55 plus x decreases plus 90 plus this is also 90 equals 360. You can mention the reason. exterior angles of a quadrilateral. Then you can write it decreases plus 55, 90, 90, 180. Add 55 to this, 5, 8 and 5, 13, 1 remainder, 235 equals 360. X decreases equals 360 minus 235. X equals 10 subtract 5, 5, 5 subtract 3, 2, and 3 subtract 2, 1. 125. Exterior angles, that X equals 125. And now look at this here also, all the exterior angles given except X. So we have to find here X. Right? So we have to find here X. X plus 83 plus 75 plus 92, 360. What is the reason? Exterior angles of a quadrilateral. Exterior angles. Quadrilateral. Then X decreases plus at this 83 and 75. 5 and 3, 8. 1 remainder. 9 and 7, 15. 158 plus then 92. 8 and 2, 10. 1 remainder. 6 and 9, 15. 1 remainder. 250. Equals 360. X angle equals 360 minus 250. X equals 0, 6 subtract 5, 1, 3 subtract 2, 110. X equals 110. Right. I think you understood this, right? Then we'll go to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 also related to the angle lesson. Question number 5. You can see here also exterior angles and the interior angles. By refer the details, you have to find the given angles, A angle, B angle and C angle. Okay, let's find first of all B angle. You can see here B and 108 add up to 180. What is the reason? The reason is this is a supplementary angle. Straight line is here, right? B plus 108 straight line. So you can write equals 180 supplementary angles. Then you can get the value for B, right? Because we need to find A, we need the B value, C value. This 105 already given here. So B decreases plus 108 equals 180. Supplementary angles. You already know supplementary angles add up to 180. B equals 180 minus 108. B equals 72. Then let's find the C. C decreases plus 108 equals 180. That is also supplementary angles. Then C C angle equals 180 minus 108. C equals how much? 72. Now we remain only one angle, that is A. Now you know all the exterior angles except A. No? C is 72 and the B is here. B is 72, C is 180. Right? B is 72 and the C is 108. So you can find A. 105 decreases plus 72 decreases plus 108 plus A equals 360. What is the result? Exterior angles of a quadrilateral. Exterior angles. Quadrilateral. Then 105, 72, 108. 8 and 2, 10 and 5, 15, 1 remainder, 8, 285. Then A plus 285 equals 360. A equals 360 minus 285. A equals how much here? 75, no? Then subtract 5, remaining 5, borrow 1 to here. Then 15, subtract 8, 7. 75. Then A 75, B 72 and the C. B, yeah, that is 72. C angle here given 72. So it is 108. So there is a mistake. I will correct the mistake. Instead of 72, I have mentioned 108. So it's a big mistake, right? But answers are correct. 108. This is given here 72. I will correct it. 72. Yeah, 72 plus C, 180. C equals 180 minus here 72. Then our answer C equals 108. Right. Then you already know this is 108, this is 72, this is 105, and then you can get the value for A here. Right. We'll go to the 6th question. Find A. So how can we find A here? This is 140 A. This all are exterior angle. I told you exterior angles of any polygon add up to 360. So you can write 140 plus A equals 360. What is the reason? Exterior angles of a triangle. Then 2A equals 360 minus 140. 2A equals 360 subtract 140. How much? 0, 6 subtract 4, 220. Then we can divide both sides. 2A equals 220 divided by 2. This side also by 2. A equals 110. A equals 110. Second question. Second one, you can see all the 3 exterior angles are equals here. So easily you can get the value for this. So what can you do for this? All the angles here add up to 360. A plus A equals 360. 3A equals 360. Both sides divide by 3. A equals 120. Exterior angles of a triangle. You know, interior angles of a triangle is 180. Exterior angles of a triangle add up to 360. Right, next question. Question number 7. ABCD is a quadrilateral whose diagonals AC find the value of angles marked A and B. Then diagonal is, this is I haven't marked the ABCD in this quadrilateral. Then AC, diagonals is AC. Then I will write ABCD. This is a quadrilateral. Then diagonals are AC here. Find the value marked A and B here. So first we can find A. This all are 78, 42A. Add up to 180 because this is interior angles of a triangle. So we can write here A plus 78 plus 42 equals 180 interior angles of a triangle. A plus 8 and 2, 10, 1 remainder, 5 and 7, 12 equals 180. A equals 180 minus 120. A equals 60. Then A is 60. Now you can see another triangle. When bisect this quadrilateral, we can see two triangles. One is ADC and other one is ACB. So you can find this B letter. B plus 35 plus 68. This interior angles also add up to 180. B decreases plus 35, 68, 8 and 5, 13, 1 remainder, 4 and 16. 103 equals 180. B equals 180 minus 103. B equals 10 subtract 3, 7, remaining 7. 1 subtract 1, 0. Then what is the answer here? 77. A is 60. B is 77 decreases. Let's do the 8th question. At the following fractions. So I have explained you several methods. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 1, 3. This way is easy. 3 times 4, 12. 8 and 3, 11 over 12 is the answer here. Then next question. This also follow the same procedure. Then you can write here 3 times 2, 6. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 3, 15. 6 and 5, 11 over 50. If some children used to do like this, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4, we want to make common denominator. This is by 4, this is by 4, this is by 3, this is by 3. 2 times 4, 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12 Then 8 and 3, 11 over 12. This way also correct, right? Right, I just explain you this method. It is easy for you to do, that's why. Right, convert into improper fractions. Improper is mean you can multiply. That mean denominator less than the numerator. Numerator is a maybe big number here. 3 times 5, 15 plus 2. 17 over 3. First multiply this denominator and this whole numerical part. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus, then add this 2 here. That is 17 over 3. Now multiply this 2. If someone can't do straightly, never mind. 4 times 3 plus 3 divide by 4. This way also they can do. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15 over 4. 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 1, 22 over 3. These are the answers here. Question number 9. Question number 9. Simplify. That is also related to fraction. Question number 9. Mixed fractions are here. You have to add. When we are adding, it is easy. You can add this whole numerical part. Whole numbers first. Plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. 2 and 5, 7 plus. Then in this way you can add this part. 3 times 1, 3. 4 times 1, 4. Then 4 times 3. 4 times 3, 12. You can write the answer here. 7 plus. Here 4 and 3 and 4, 7 over 12. Answer is 7 and 7 over 12. This is the answer. Then anyone else, you can do like this also. Some children, I know that with the experience, I already worked with them long time. So I know about you. They used to do like this. First they are converting this to improper. 4 times 2, 8. 8 and 1, 9 over 4. Plus 3 times 5, 15 and 1, 16 over 3. First convert into common denominator. For that purpose, I will multiply this is by 3 and this is by 4 and this is by 4. 9 times 3, 27 over 12 plus 16 into 4, that is 64 over, neither. I have mentioned here 16 into 4. Small, 8 plus 1, 9, 64. And 3 times it is 12. Then you can write 7 and 6, 11. 1 remainder, 91 over 12. Divide this is by 12. How many 12s are there? 2. 12 times 7, let's image 7. Divide by, that is 12. 7 times 12 times 7. 7 times 2, 14. 1 reminder, 7 and 1, 84 now. Then 91, subtract 84. 11 subtract 4, that is 7. 7. 7 and 7. The same answer we can obtain this way also. That if you wish, you can follow this method also. I think this is easy for you all to do. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Add the whole numerical part. Then next add the fractions. 3/4. This 2, 4 plus this and this 4 times 2, 8. This and this plus 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 4 plus 8 and 15. That is 23. 20. Then 4 plus 23 divided by 20, that is 1 plus 3/. Yes, no, that is his question is second one, 1 and 2/3, 3 and 3/4. 1 and 3, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 5 times. This is 5, right? Yes. 5 times 3, 15. That is true. Then that is 23, right? 23/20. Yes. Then divide this is by 21 and 3/20. Then 4 and 1, 5 and 3/20. This is the answer. If not, like as usual, you can follow this method also. 1 and 2/3 plus 3 and 3/4. Then 3 times 1, 3. 3 and 2, 5/3. And 4 times 3, 12 and 3, 15/4. This is by 4. This is by 4. This is by 3. This is by 3. 4 times by 20/12 plus 15 times 3. 45/12. Then you can write here 20 and 45. 20 and 45, 65/12. Then you can see here 1 and 3 second. I have mentioned another sum here that is shown here because here have 5, right? So I will mention it again and do. I will erase this one and I will explain this method also. We got, I want to show that the same, both answers are same, no? So I will keep this one. Because I have mentioned the sum wrong way. I haven't mentioned the same sum below and it. That is another separate sum. Here then 1 and 2/5 plus 3/3/4. Because I want to show you, if you follow this method, this is more easier than this. It's the same answer you could obtain this, right? 5 times 1, 5, 5 and 2, 7/5 plus 4 times 3, 12, 12 and 3, 15/4. This is by 4, this is by 4. This is by 5, this is by 5. Then 4 times 7, 28/20 plus 15 into 5. 75/20 at 75 and 28. 8 and 5, 13, 1 remainder, 8 and 2, 10. 103/20. Then same answer now we are obtaining 103 divided by 20. That is 5. 5 and 3/20. Look at this answer and this answer. If you prefer, you can convert into improper fractions and then you can do the addition. If you prefer, it is better really, this is easy. First add the whole numerical part. Then after that you can add the fractional parts and you can do the simplification. So I will go to the next question. This one. This is a subtraction. This one also first I will follow The 2 minus 1 plus whole numbers simplified together, 2 over 5 minus 3 over 20. 2 subtract 1 1 plus, do the cross multiplication, 20 times 2, 5 times 3. 20 times 2, 40, minus 15, divide by 5 into 20, 100. Then you can write here 1 plus 40 subtract 15, how much? 25 over 100. You know how many 25s here? 1. How many 25s here? 4. What is your answer here? 1 and 1/4 here. 1 and 1/4. This is the answer. Right? The same question I will convert into improper fractions and do. Then I will erase this one. This one we have done, so I will erase this. I need the space. Right. Same question, question number 3. 2 and 2 over 5 minus 1 and 3 over 20. Convert to improper. 5 times 2, 10 and 2, 12 over 5 minus 20 times 1, 20 and 3, 23 over 20. Now common denominator, make common denominator. This is 4, this is also by 4. 4 times 12, 48 over 20 minus 23 over 20. 48 subtract 23. Denominators are same, so you can subtract 5 to 25. 25 there. Yeah, 8 subtract here. 8 subtract 3, 5. 2. 25 over 20. So what is the answer here? 25 divided by 20, 1 and 5 over 20. Look at 5, 1, 5 is here, 4. Answer is 1 and 1/4. Now look at these both answers. Right? In our classes, I have explained these two methods separately. But here I am explaining. I know that some students follow this one and they have done. Some others really they used to use this method. So fractions are easy. If you are following this method, it will be easy for you. Right? Next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. 3 and 7 over 8 minus 1 and 1 over 3. Then 3 subtract 1. Our usual method, right? 3 minus 1 plus 7 over 8 minus 1 over 3. Now 3 minus 1, 2 plus 3 times 7, 21 minus 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 3, 24. Then you can write 2 plus 21 minus 8. 1. That is 13, right? It's 13 over 24. So you can write the answer 2 and 13 over 24. Those who follow the other method, now look at here. 8 times 3, 24. 24 and 7. 31 over 8. 31 over 8 minus 3 times 1, 3 and 1, 4. 4 over 3. We want to convert this to common denominator. So this is multiplied by 3. This is also by 3. This is by 8. This is also 8. 31 into 3, that is 93 over 24 minus 32 over 24. 93 minus 32 is mean 1. 9 subtract is 61 over 24. Even you can write 61 divided by 24, that is 2. 48, no, subtract 61, 48, remained 30. Now look at these two answers. Now understood, no? Except explaining one method, I already explained the two methods, right? Right. In any of the method you can follow to solve the fractions. We'll go to the next question, question number 10. Answer the following questions. Find the perimeter of the square design. You know how to find the perimeter. Perimeter is mean adding around the boundary. So perimeter equals 6 centimeter into 4. Perimeter equals 24 centimeter. And find the perimeter of the triangular design. You can see this side 8, then this side also 8 centimeter. Then perimeter equals 8 centimeter into 2 plus 6 centimeter. Perimeter equals 16 centimeter plus 6. Perimeter equals 22 centimeter. Now this is the compound. Now we are combining these two figures and we have to find the perimeter of this figure. I know that some children, they are adding this one and writing the answers. Oh, that is wrong. Now we can't do so. We are not adding this middle line. This is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So you have to add this boundary around this. Perimeter equals 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 16, right? 18 plus 16, how much here? How many sixes here? 1, 2, 3, that is 18. Yeah, 18. And here 8, 8, 2 are there, right? 16. 18 and 16. 41 remain. 34 here. centimeter. Next question, question number 10. Simplify. We have to remove the brackets and then simplify. 5 times 2x, 10x, 5 times 3, 15 minus 4x plus 7. 10x minus 4x, 6x. Minus 15 and plus 7, minus 8. 6x minus 8 is the answer here. Next one, x into 3y, 3xy, plus x into 5, 5x, 8xy, plus 2. Add these two. It means subtract, right? 3xy minus 8xy minus 5xy plus 5x plus 2. Minus 5xy plus 5x plus 2. Question number 12. Find the value of the algebraic expressions x squared y plus 5y squared plus z, x equals minus 2y equals 3, z equals minus 3. X minus 2 squared. Substitute the values into y 3 plus 5 into y 3 squared plus minus 3. You have to include the signs correctly, right? Minus 2 squared is mean minus into minus positive, right? 2 times 2 plus 4. 4 times 3 plus 5 into 9. I will write that is also here. 3 squared is mean 9 plus into minus minus 3. 4 times 3 12 plus 45 minus 3. 5 and 2 7, 57 minus 3. What is the answer here? 54. 54. Then this one. 4 times 2x. 4 times 3. 4 times 4. Right? First I will remove the brackets here. But before doing so, you can substitute the values and do. If not, first remove the brackets and then you can substitute the values. Any method you can refer. Right? Then 8 into x minus 2. 8 into minus 2 minus 12 into y is 3. Minus 16 into z is minus 3. 8 times 2 minus 16 minus 12 times 3. 12 times 3 is 36. Minus and here minus, right? Minus 16 into 3 minus 48. So minus in minus, that is becoming plus. Minus into minus positive. So you can write here minus 6 minus 36 plus 48. Minus 6 and minus 36 minus 42. Yes. Plus 48. Yes, no? The 6. 36 and 6. Yeah, minus 42 plus 48. Difference of these two. 42 and 48 difference is plus 6. Again check whether this 2x minus 3y minus 4z. 4 times 2x 8x, 4 times 3y minus 12y, 4 times 4 minus 16z. Substitute the values. 8 into yes, 8 into minus 2, that is minus 16. 12 times 3 minus 36 minus 48. Here y is 3 minus 3. 16 into 3, 16 into 3, 48. Yeah. Then 16 and 36. 6 and 6, 12, 1 remainder. Pretty small mistake is there. Problem not the 6. Here 16 and 36. So we have a small problem. I have add up 6 here. Minus 16 minus 36. 6 and 6, 12, 1 remainder. 2 and 3, 5 minus 52. Minus into minus plus 48. Then difference you have to take. 52, 48. Difference is 12 subtract 8, 4. The sign containing the largest numerical value minus, so answer is minus 4. Right? because mistakenly instead of adding 16 I have at 6, that's why it's got drawn, right? So answer is -4. Shall I explain you without removing the brackets also? You can do this. So if it is easy for you, you can do like that. Then I will explain that way also. Is it okay, right? Then 4, 2x minus 3y minus 4z. 4, don't remove the brackets here. Then 2 into x value is how much? -2. Minus 3 into y value is 3. Minus 4 into z value is -3. Then 4 bracket 2 times -2 -4 minus 3 times 3 9 minus 4 times -3 -12. 4 minus 4 and -9 -13 minus into minus plus 12. What is the difference of this -13 and plus 12? -1. -1 times 4 is -4. Then we could obtain the same answer in this way as well as in this way. First, if it is easy for you, remove the brackets and do. If not, you can keep the bracket, then substitute, and then also you can obtain the answer here. Next one, find H.CF, highest common factor. H.CF. You can write this as a product of prime factors first, right? You can write this as a product of prime factors. 12x. You can write 2 into 2 into 3 into x. 6xy 2 into 3 into x into y. 9x squared 3 into 3 into x into x. Now take the common factor out, this 3 out. Then you can write 3 and x is common, so take the x out. X. Then H.CF equals 3x. Sorry, yeah. We have to find the highest common factor. Highest common factor is 3x here. And this one, 3a squared b, 15ab. Then first you can write as a product of prime factors. 3 into a into b. 15ab also you can write here. 3 into 5 into a into b. And 15y also 3 into 5 into y. Common is 3. So you can write H.CF equals 3. Highest common factor equals 3. Next question. Question number 14. Factorize the following expressions. You have to take the common factor out, right? Then you can see this 4 is the common factor. 2 times 4x plus 4 into y plus 4 into 3. 4 common, right? So you can take 4 out. Don't do like this straightly. You can take the 4 out. Then 8x divided by 4, that is 2x. Right? 4y divided by 4, that is y. 12 divided by 4, that is 3. This is the answer, 2x plus y plus 3. Even this one also, you know what is common, that is 3, right? 3 times 4, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. So 3 common. 12x divided by 3, that is 4x. 6xy divide by 3. No, we can take here 3x, right? Because x is common for all of this. So x also you can take out, 3x out, then 12x divide by 3x, that is 4. Right, 4 here plus 6xy divide by 3x, x to x simplify, cancel out this 6 and 3, 2y plus 2y plus 9x squared divided by 3x, cancel out this x to this x, cancel 9 and 3, that is 3x. So our answer is 3x bracket 4 plus 2y plus 3x. 4 plus 2y plus 3x. Next question, question number 16. Answer the following questions related to square root. Every day I am giving find the square root by prime factorization method. I know all of you can find it easily. So I have included some other questions here. Write down the perfect square that are in the range of values from 1 to 100. 1 and 100 not included. Then other numbers you can write. 4 is a square number. What about 9 is a square, 16 square number, 25 square number, 36 square number. Next square number is 49. Next square number 64. Next one is 81. Right? These are the square number ranges of values from 1 to 100. What are the digits in the unit place of a perfect square? If we consider the perfect square, you can let's imagine like 1 to 100. Last digits you can see at the unit place. What are the numbers? 0 you can see. And the A1 you can see 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. These numbers you can see. Last digit, it means unit place, you can see these numbers. Right? But what are the digits cannot be in the unit place of perfect square? So according to this, 2 cannot be there, right? And the 3 also we can't see. 6, 7. And can we see the 8? No, 8 also not there. So these are the digits that cannot be in the unit place. I will explain a little bit more. Now look at numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now look at these numbers. That this 1 is a square number, the unit place 1. 4 is a square number, unit place 1. 9 square number, unit place it is 9. 16, unit place it is 6. Right? When we concern the other numbers, 5 you can see unit place. 36 you can see 6 at the unit place. 9 you can see 4, 1. But you can't see these numbers. What are the numbers? You can't see 2, 3, 7, 8. These numbers can't see at the unit place. Just observe your square numbers and see several square numbers and see. You can't see these 2, 3, 7, 8 at the unit place of the square numbers. The other numbers maybe you can see that 0 or 1 or 4, 5, 6 or 9. Here, next question. Express the masses given below in metric tons. So metric tons is mean one metric ton there are 1,000 kilograms. Right? 1 metric ton equal 1,000 kilogram. 1 ton equals 1,000 kilogram. So you can write this is in tons like this. Then you can write 2,350 divided by 1,000. Then look at when we divide in by 1,000, it's move in decimal place, move in 3 places back. 3 zeros below the line, so it's move in 3 places back. It means 2.35 5 ton. Now look at this one. This one also you can divide by 1000. 5050 divide by 1000. 1, 2, 3. 3 places back. 5.050 ton. Even this one also 2758 divided by 1000. Then you can write here 1, 2, 3. 2.758 ton. 2.758 tons. When we convert into tons, kilograms into tons, you have to divide. You have to divide by 1000. If you convert in tons into kilogram, you have to multipy it by 1000. 17th questions. 17th also, you see the related to masses, I think. Yes, that is also related to masses. The mass of grown elephant is 4.75 ton and the baby elephant is 2025 kilogram. Express the mass of the baby elephant in metric tons. 4.75 ton into 1000. Then 4750 kilogram. What is the mass of the baby elephant then? That is 4750 kilogram. Grown elephant. They express the mass of baby elephant in metric tons. So sorry, the next question is the total mass of both this one mother elephant, right? Mass of grown elephant is 4.75 tons. Baby elephant, already given in kilogram. 2025 kilogram. So we have to write divide by 1000. 2.025 tons. This is the mass of baby elephants in tons. Next one, second one, find the total mass of both elephants in metric tons. The mother elephant, it means grown elephants also given 75 tons and add 2.025 tons. So how much? 4.75, 2.025. 6.775 ton. Next one, express the total masses of both elephants in kilograms. You have to write in. Then now we got the both elephants in metric tons. No? So you have to multiply this is by 1000. 5 into 1000. 6,775 kilograms. Question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. Here 4a plus 7b minus 3 times a, 3a plus, no, minus into plus minus here, minus into plus minus 3 times 3, 3c. Then 4a and minus 3a, a plus 7b minus 3c. Next question, 3a into a, 3a squared plus 3a into 7, 21a plus 5a squared minus 20a plus 4. Then 3a squared and 5a squared, that is 8a squared plus 21a minus 20a, that is a plus 4. This is the answer here, 8a square plus a plus 4. Next question, question number 19. Find the value related to indices that you can expand and write 3 squared, 4 squared. 3 squared is mean 3 times 3, 9 over 16. And next one, minus into minus into minus, minus 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Next question, 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is mean 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And the 3 to the power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. 16 over 81. Next one, 5 to the power 3, that is 125, right? 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125 into 125. Then 125 into 125. 5 times 5, 25, 2 remainder, 5 times 2, 10 and 2, 12, 1 remainder, 5 and 1, 6, 2 times 5, 10, 1 remainder, 2 times 2, 4 and 1, 5, 2 times 1, 2, 5, 2, 1. 5 to 16, 1 remainder, 15,625. This is the answer for this one, fourth one. Question number 20. Write the general term of the nth triangular number. Nth triangular number, how can we find? Tn, general term Tn equal n into n plus 1 divided by 2. If you want to find n triangular number, for the n triangular number, add 1 and then multiply and then divide by 2. Find the 12. Then we have to find 12 triangular number. Easy to do like this. 12 into 12 plus 1 divide by 2. It's mean 12 into 13 divide by 2. 6 times 3, 18. 1 remainder. 6 and 1, 7, 78. Next questions, 19 triangular number. Right. T19 equals 19 into 19 plus 1 divide by 2. It's mean 19 into 20 divide by 2. 10. 10 times 19, 190. Next question, question number 21. Find the value of x in each figure. 40 degrees is interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So 40 degrees is plus 3x degrees is plus 2x equals 180. Interior angles in a triangle. Then 40 plus 3x and 2x here. 5x equals 180. 5x equals 180 minus 40. 5x equals 140. Then 5x equals 140, both sides divide by 5. X equals 14, how many 5's 2? For reminder, 48, 28 degrees, right? If you want to find this angle, x is 28, 28 into 2, 56. If you want to find this one, 28 into 3, right? Then here x equals 28. Let's find the second one. Second one also, all the interior angles of this triangle add up to 180. Then x and 2x, 3x and 3x, 6x equals 180. This side by 6, this side by x, x equals 30. If you want to find, if they ask you to find, this angle is then 30 into 3, 90. They haven't asked us to find the x here. This is 30. This is then 30 into 2, 60. Let's go to the next question. Question number 22. What is this? Exterior angle of a triangle. We have done several sums, right? 100 plus 2x plus 120. We have to find the 2x here. Equals, no, we have to find the x here. Equals 360. The reason is exterior angle of a triangle. Exteriors mean outside. 100 and 120, 220 plus 2x equals 360. 2x equals 360 divided by 220. 2x equals 0, 4, 1. Both sides by 2. X equals 70. It means this angle 70 times 2, 140. But they didn't ask us to find that one, right? They asked only the x here. Question number 23. 20, yeah, this is 22 now. We have to do the 23 then. Find the value of the angle mark x. This is 50 degrees. Supplementary angles 50 plus x 180. The reason is x equals 130. Next question. X equals 30 plus 70. What is the reason for that? Exterior angle equals the sum of two opposite angles. Then we can write x equals 100. X equals 100. Exterior angle equal the sum of two interior opposite angles. 24. Evaluate, find the value. This is also fraction. 3 plus 7 plus 4. Whole numerical parts. Add together plus half plus 1/3 plus half. Is add and write the answer. 3 and 7, 10 and 4, 14 plus. Then you can convert this to common denominator. For that purpose, I will multiply this is by 3, this is by 3, this is by 2, this is by 2, this is by 3, this is by 3. Then you can write the answer here. 1 times 3, 3 over 6. 2 over 6. 3 over 6. Now denominators are same. Add them together. 3 and 2, 5 and 3, 8 over 6. It's mean divide 8 by 6 1. Then 14 plus 8 divided by 6, 1 plus then 8, 2 remainder, right? Even you can write it like this. You can write it as a mixed fraction, right? 8 divided by 6, 1 and 2 over 6, right? Then you can add these two. Now this is whole number, this is whole number, these two add. 14 and 1, 15 plus, simplify. How many 2's 1, how many 2's 3? 1 over 3. Then answer is 15. 1/3 is the answer. 15 and 1/3. Fifteen and 1/3. Right. Next one. Even if you want to follow the other method, you can follow, right? It will take time, so I am not going to explain it. 1.725 into 1000. 1, 2, 3 decimal places moving towards front. So, what is the answer? 1725. Question number 26. 26th. No, 25, right? 26 later. The length of rectangle is 6x plus 5 unit. Length. 6x plus 5 units. And the breadth 2x plus 3 units. Area, length into breadth, 6 plus 5 into 2x plus 3. Then you can write the area, 6x into 2x, 12x squared, plus 6x into 3, 18x, 5 into 2x, 10x, plus 5 times 3, 15. Add these two middle terms, 18x and, yes, no, 18, 6 times 2, 12x squared, 6 times 3, 18x, 5 times 2, 10x plus 15. You can add these two middle terms, then 12x squared plus 28x plus 15 is the answer here, right? This is the area of this rectangle. Last question. 26 related to solids. Write down the geometrical shape of the faces of each solids given below. Regular tetrahedron. What is that? We have done it several times. It means it has triangular, only asking the faces. Really this one have a regular triangular face. Right? If I draw it roughly, the net is like this. You can make a tetrahedron by using this net. Cube. What is this? Square face. Square. This if you draw, it's look like this. By using this net, you can make a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Regular octahedron. What is this one? This is with regular triangle. The face is regular. 8 pieces are there. If I draw roughly like this, if a rough sketch of this to explain you. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 sides are there. Regular triangle, there are 8 regular triangles are there. Like this. The other one, regular dodecahedron. This one has a regular pentagons. Cross section is regular pentagons. Keep it in your mind, right? It's mean we have to draw a lot of faces like this. For your better understanding, I will show it also, right? It's look like this. Like these are rough sketch, right? I am not draw it neatly. Right. Like this, and other one I will connect to this one and draw. After make it, it will appear like this. It's mean this is the net of this. By folding this, we can make if you can draw, and this should be regular, right? All the sides should be equal, regular pentagons. And fold it and see that you can make the regular dodecahedron, right? Then our session is finished. I will send you the Google Form paper after this session. If someone is there in the non-member of this class, they can ask the paper from me. I will send it to you, Google Form paper. After finish it, please include your marks in their comment box. And if you like, you can send personally a screenshot of your marks. Right, then I will finish the session. Okay, bye everybody.